Hello, students. Welcome to Vipinsharma Physics channel. Dear students, we are talking about the optics, some theories. The the purpose of these lectures, which I am uploading nowadays, is just to clear the concepts. Because when we study in a class, in a competitive class, our main focus is shortcuts, techniques, and tricks. Sometimes some some extra explanatory concepts are definitely omitted in the class because when we are preparing for the competitive exams, it is assumed that the students are supposed to know all those kind of concepts, but the reality is this, that uh, those missing topics which students are supposed to know. Sometimes I personally realize that a teacher must be involved in that. So to fill up the gap, I am uploading those things. Like when you go to the class and you take a lesson, you take competitive exam preparation lectures, and prior to that, if you go to the playlist and go through these basic concepts, so this will definitely be a positive catalyst in learning all those kind of concepts. So I personally advise you to follow the channel for this purpose, and you will get a lot of benefits. Okay, not only wave optics, in 10 plus 1 mechanics, I'm going to upload all those concepts and misconceptions in the playlist. And the best way is that you should go to the playlist and go through all those kind of topics in sequence wise. So happy learning physics. Enjoy Vipin Sharma Physics channel with a happy learning in physics, and I promise you to give my best. And there is one student of ninth class. He has asked about that UVAT, etc. How it is there? There is no mass. It's a good question, dear student. I think if you go to the playlist of mechanics, I have already explained there. So the best way to learn this, learn physics from Vipin Sharma Physics channel, is that you should follow the playlist. Hope this message is useful. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you all.